For men over 50, mastering your breath is a hidden secret to unlocking profound health benefits and improving overall well being. This simple yet powerful practice can significantly impact your physical and mental vitality as you age. Many of us unknowingly engage in shallow chest breathing, a common habit that can contribute to increased stress, fatigue, and limit our body's vital functions, preventing optimal oxygen exchange and nutrient delivery. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing, however, can significantly enhance oxygen delivery throughout your entire body and calm your nervous system, promoting a state of relaxation and improved bodily function. This type of breathing stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a crucial molecule that plays a key role in maintaining cardiovascular health, supporting healthy blood pressure and improving circulation. Nitric oxide promotes vasodilation, which means it helps relax and widen your blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and better nutrient and oxygen transport to your organs and tissues. Activating the parasympathetic nervous system through deep breathing helps reduce stress, improve digestion, enhance overall relaxation, and can even boost your immune system, contributing to a more balanced and healthy life. One highly effective technique is the 4-2-6 breathing exercise, which is simple to learn and can be easily integrated into your daily routine, offering immediate and long-term benefits. To begin, inhale slowly and deeply through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your abdomen expand gently as your diaphragm descends, drawing air into the lower lobes of your lungs. Next, hold your breath for a count of 2, maintaining that gentle expansion and stillness, allowing your body to fully absorb the oxygen before releasing it. Finally, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 6, releasing all the air from your lungs and feeling your abdomen contract, expelling any stale air. Practicing this 4-2-6 technique regularly can significantly reduce stress, improve sleep quality, boost your overall energy levels, and enhance mental clarity, leading to a more vibrant life. Incorporate this simple exercise into your morning routine to start your day calmly, before bed for restful sleep, or whenever you feel the need to recenter yourself and alleviate tension. Just a few minutes a day can make a remarkable difference in your physical and mental health as you age, helping you maintain vitality and a sense of well-being for years to come. Embrace the power of your breath to enhance your vitality and well-being, starting today. This fundamental practice is a cornerstone of good health and can transform your daily experience. Your body will thank you for this simple yet profound investment in your health. By taking control of your breath, you are taking a significant step towards a healthier, more balanced life.
Welcome to the second segment of our series, where we explore how the power of your breath can significantly enhance vitality for men over 50. Today, we'll delve into the daily oxygen protocol, a simple yet profound approach to integrating mindful breathing into your morning, midday, and evening routines. Starting your day with conscious breathing can set a positive tone, improving focus and preparing your body for the hours ahead. The morning routine involves gentle diaphragmatic breathing, performed for just 5 minutes, to oxygenate your system and awaken your mind. Midday breathing exercises offer a crucial pause, helping to reduce stress and recenter your energy during a busy schedule. A quick 2-minute breathing break can significantly lower cortisol levels, combating the effects of daily pressures and promoting a sense of calm. As evening approaches, specific breathing techniques can prepare your body for restful sleep, enhancing recovery and overall well-being. The evening protocol focuses on slow, rhythmic breaths, signaling to your body that it's time to unwind and enter a state of deep relaxation. Beyond breathing, nutrition plays a vital role in optimizing your oxygen advantage, particularly through nitrate-rich vegetables. Incorporating foods like beets and spinach into your diet can naturally boost nitric oxide production, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body. This dietary support complements your breathing practices, creating a synergistic effect for enhanced physical and mental performance. The combined benefits of the daily oxygen protocol and targeted nutrition extend to significant cortisol reduction. Lowering cortisol not only reduces stress, but also contributes to better sleep, improved mood, and a stronger immune system. These practices collectively foster a profound sense of increased confidence, empowering you in all aspects of life. By mastering your breath and nourishing your body, you unlock a powerful pathway to sustain vitality and well being. Remember, consistency is key. Integrate these simple steps into your daily life to experience the full spectrum of benefits. For more insights and personalized guidance, stay tuned for the next segment in our series on optimizing your health through breath.